Hi, welcome to the IFN Dhaba. Today we are going to be doing a recipe called matri. Matri is a white chana, not the Kabuli chana. It's round with a much smoother surface and we use this matri to make ragda patties. So let's head to the kitchen to show you this nice and easy healthy recipe. So this is the matri which has to be pre-soaked and then boiled with salt and a pinch of turmeric. Then we have diced onion, 1 katori. We have 1 katori of tomatoes, again diced, coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon amchur, 3 chilies diced, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon jeera, 1 teaspoon coriander powder and 1 teaspoon chili powder. So this is the matri which I am talking about. This was pre-soaked overnight and this is how it looks. And now I am going to pressure cook this with a little salt and a pinch of haldi. So here I add 1 teaspoon of salt and a wee bit of turmeric powder, that is haldi, and then I shut it and give it pressure for 20 minutes at least. So now since the pan is heated, I am going to just add the onions. Now onions, you have to just toss them a little bit. So now for about a minute or two I have just tossed it nicely. Now I add in the tomatoes. So I have to just cook the tomatoes also a little bit for a minute or two. I don't have to make them pasty or anything. I add in the green chilies. So you can see it's looking nice and colorful. Tomatoes are cooking, but they are not getting pasty. Now I add in the red chili powder and the coriander leaves. I am not going to add salt because the salt has already been added to the matri when I was boiling it. And goes the garam masala and the jeera powder. So I have mixed everything well. Now I just add in few coriander leaves for flavor. I am going to add in the matri which I had boiled. If you find it a little too thick, you can add some water, but basically this is the consistency it should be. You can check the salt also before serving. If you need to add more, you can do so. Then I just garnish the whole thing like this and I just mix. So here we have a ready matri. There's no oil, there's no garlic ginger. It's absolutely nice and healthy. It's tasty. You can have it like chaat. You can make a patties and put this ragda on it. It's good to go in any way because it's absolutely delectable. So here we are done with the matri. Check the spices before you serve. So you have gone through this recipe with me. You know how simple and easy it is on time as well as on the stomach. So if you want to enhance this recipe further, you can add potato cutlet to it and call it ragda patties, or you can just have the matri as it is. It's good to go. It's very simple, very healthy. If you like the recipe, subscribe to India Food Network. Any queries, comments, write in. Till next time, goodbye.